Here at the Sussex Beacon, we have really struggled to try and offer the same sort of service that we would for patients that usually come here. Being able to offer a space where people can spend time together and really learn from each other's stories is so important to the work that we do here at the Beacon. So this has been a really big struggle for us, having to isolate people who are already feeling quite isolated, and that has been a real challenge for us. We adapted many of the services that we already provide at the Sussex Beacon, doing patient follow-up over the telephone. We created a emergency line for people that were worried about their health, but also worried about how COVID was going to affect them. And that included being alone, being isolated, not being able to get out to the shops. So we really pulled together across the organisation to offer something that was very different to what we know day to day, but something that was really needed at the time, especially at the beginning of the pandemic. World AIDS Day is a time for remembrance and celebration, to remember all the people that lost their lives to HIV in the early days and across the last 3 decades, but also a time for hope and a time to remember how far we've come. And I'm so proud to be part of such an amazing group of organisations across the city that continue to provide people living with HIV with such amazing care.